Narito na ang mga bagong palabas sa Vivamax at VIVAONE. Mga ka-Viva, please subscribe for more videos and contents like this. Narito na ang mga bagong palabas. Rain in España, streaming this May 1, only on VIVAONE. Cast, Heaven Peralejo, Marco Gallo. Rain in España, malapit na. PANTAXA, LAIYA. Series, sexy reality show. Sandwich, sexy psychological drama. Coming on May 19. Cast, Kat Dovey, Andrea Garcia, Nico Loco, Luke Selby. Sandwich, directed by Brillante Mendoza. Sex Games, written by Ricky Lee. Cast, Benz, Sangalang, AZI ACOSTA, Sherry, Joseph Elizalde. Sex Games, directed by Mac Alejandre. PANTAXA, LAIYA, 8 sexy ladies will make summer even hotter as they bear it all in this newest reality show. Join them as they undergo physical, mental, sensual, and sexual challenge that would shape to be the next Vivamax stars. Directed by Paul Alexi Basinili. Cast, Katya Santos, Maui Taylor, Wilbert Ross, Rose Van Ginkel, Ayana Misola, Nico Loco, Angelica Hart, Audrey Avila, Aiko Garcia, Apple D, Aria Bench, Ayla Cruz, Armina Alegre, Ces Garcia, Massimo Scofield, Yuki Sakamoto. PANTAXA, LAIYA, sexy series reality show directed by Paul Alexi Basinilio. Narito na ang mga bagong palabas sa Vivamax at VIVAONE. HUGOT, directed by Daniel Palacio. Cast, Benz Sangalang, AZI ACOSTA, Jiad, Arroyo, Stephanie Raz. HUGOT, a sexy sports crime, May 26th on Vivamax. Cast, AZI ACOSTA, Benz Sangalang, Jiad Arroyo, Mark Anthony Fernandez, Stephanie Raz, Apple Castro, Joko Diaz, Mickey Ferriols, Julio Diaz, Isadora. Directed by Daniel Palacio. HUGOT, nakascore ka na ba? HUGOT, directed by Daniel Palacio. Narito na ang mga bagong palabas sa Vivamax. Umulan man o umaraw, walang makakapigil dahil dito sa Vivamax. Atin to, Vivamax. HUGOT to the max. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe now. Please subscribe.